Hello mga kabayan! Para sa video na ito, I am going to share how I checked if the passport that I requested for renewal is already available for release. So this is purely online and just a few clicks, malalaman nyo na kung pwede nyo nang i-pick up ang inyong mga na-request na passport from the Dubai Consulate. So first step is to go to PCG's website. I-type lang po natin PCG Dubai. And then, i-click lang po natin ang official website, which is dubaipcg.dfa.gov.ph. And then sa homepage po, makikita nyo sa upper right corner ang menu. So, i-click lang po natin ang menu and then you will see services. Select services and then under services, click passport. Pagkatapos po, i-click nyo naman ang passport available for release. And then, you will be asked of your last name, first name, and the middle name. But the middle name is optional. Click search after you input your details. And in just a few seconds, i-inform na po kayo ng status ng inyong request. If your passport is available for claiming, you will see a message that will appear like this. So, ito pong sa akin, your passport is available for claiming. Now, nung nag-apply po kami, na-inform kami na average 6 weeks ang processing and nakalagay din po sa official receipt is 4 to 8 weeks. Now, some important reminders po pag i-collect natin yung ating passport. Kailangan po na i-take note nyo yung reference number para sa collection para po mas mabilis ma-retrieve ang ating passport. And then, aside from the reference number, nakalagay din po doon kung saan natin ipipick up yung ating passport. So, in my case, pupunta po ako sa Consulate General Mabini Hall C, C3 Releasing Section. Ipipresent ko po doon ang aking reference number kasama po ng aking old passport at yung official receipt. Ngayon po, yung iba, kung nag-apply po kayo sa Wafi Mall, nakalagay din po dyan yung address kung saan nyo ipipick up. And we have to take note also that all passports unclaimed by the applicants after 6 months from the date of issuance shall be cancelled pursuant to the Department Order number 37-03. And some other important reminders to take note po are the following. Number 1, hindi na po natin kailangan tawagan ang Consulate General para i-reconfirm kung pwede na natin kunin ang ating mga passport. Since nasabi na po doon sa ating tracker na available na for release, pwede na po nating i-pick up ang ating mga passport at hindi na rin po natin kailangan ang online appointment. Kailangan lang po nating sundan ang schedule for pick up. Para po sa mga nag-apply sa Philippine Consulate, bukas po ito from Mondays to Fridays, pero na lamang po kung may mga legal holidays. Now, from Mondays to Thursdays, ang collection time is 7:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And then, on Fridays, 7:30 a.m. to 12 noon. Para naman po sa Wafi Mall, from Mondays to Sundays, except legal holidays from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then, pakidala po ang mga sumusunod pag magkiklaim kayo ng passport. Hahanapin po ito sa inyo. Una, ang inyong old passport. Then second, the official receipt and the screenshot or even a note on paper ng inyong reference number para po madaling ma-retrieve ang ating mga passport. But what if hindi po natin kaya i-pick up personally ang ating mga passport? So, no need to worry po. Kailangan lang natin ng authorization letter. If your representative is your immediate family member, and special power of attorney naman po if yung inyong representative hindi nyo kamag-anak. So, meron po ditong sample authorization letter sa link. I-click nyo lamang po ito para makita ninyo. So, aside from the letter, kailangan din po yung old passport ng applicant at yung kanyang original receipt. Kailangan din po ng kopya ng ID ng person authorizing and ng original valid ID po ng inyong mga representative. Okay, another important reminder, so yung nasabi po natin kanina, lahat ng unclaimed passports after 6 months ay makakancel na. And for those whose passport is not yet available more than 6 weeks after the date of passport renewal application, pwede po tayong mag-send ng email dito po sa email address na to. Take note po kapag lumagpas na ng 6 weeks after nyong mag-apply. Otherwise po, kung hindi pa naman lagpas sa 6 weeks, maghintay lang po tayo ng ilang araw and i-recheck po natin sa site nila yung status ng inyong passport. Okay, so that's about it para po dito sa pag-share natin ng ating personal experience kung paano po natin na-check ang ating passport renewal status online. So sana po ay nakatulong sa inyo mga kabayan. Kung nakatulong po, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye!